Lifestyle and travel expert Niki Anastasakis joins us this morning to tell us about her recent trip there. Good morning, Niki.
Good morning. Thank you for having me. Really excited to talk about Portugal.
Yeah, where did you start your trip and what are some of the things you can do there?
This past fall, I visited Portugal, known for its beautiful beaches, rich history, and culture. I started in Cascais, which is the Portuguese Riviera. It is a coastal town west of Lisbon, popular with wealthy residents, retirees, politicians, and celebrities like Cristiano Ronaldo actually have a home there. I took a day trip from there to Sintra, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, famous for its castles, palaces, and love. A lot of miracles are said to take place here that cannot be explained. And while there, I also explored the Quinta de Regaleria, which is a mysterious estate with gardens, tunnels, and iconic initiation well. This was a really incredible experience. Cascais is also a top golfing destination thanks to its mild climate. I even took a lesson with a pro at Quinta de Marina, and that was so fun. I stayed at two incredible hotels while in Cascais. We went to the Faro Hotel, which is a boutique property with breathtaking ocean views. And second was Fortaleza de Guincho, a historic fort with a suite overlooking the water. I also enjoyed an incredible 14-course dinner at the Michelin star restaurant here with Portuguese cuisine, which was an experience like no other, with carefully crafted meals with a story. If you get the opportunity, you guys, to travel to Portugal, Cascais is a must-visit place.
It really looks like it. Where did you go after there?
Last but not least, I visited the Algarve, which is famous for its cliff-back beaches, mouth-watering seafood, and picturesque villages. I was so honored to stay at the five-star resort, Tivoli Carvoeiro Algarve Resort, located in the town of Carvoeiro on the cliffs of the Valle de Covo. Tivoli overlooks the Atlantic Ocean, and it's the perfect holiday spot for business or pleasure stay. The suites have incredible oceanfront views. There's a beautiful spa and a fitness center, plus 6 on-site restaurants, which were literally amazing. The fresh sushi and fish served at the Sky Bar was one of the best, freshest tasting meals I've had in a very long time. That's called the Sky Bar Carvoeiro. And nearby this resort, you can also soak up the sun. There's gorgeous beaches and a lot of hiking and caves that you can check out, which is honestly an amazing experience that I highly recommend.
Niki, where can we learn more about your adventure in Portugal?
You can learn more by visiting my YouTube. Search up Niki Anastasakis, and I have all my travel videos there, recaps from Tivoli, from Cascais, and some other trips that I've taken recently. So you can visit my YouTube and check it out and engage with me. I'd love to know your thoughts as well.
Perfect. Niki, thanks so much for this today.
Thank you for having me. Happy traveling, everyone.
And for more information, you can head to Niki's YouTube or Instagram.